Hey you guys, I'm super excited to hop on and highlight this smart sprinkler timer right here. This thing is awesome and I love it for a couple of different reasons. A, it's really simple and easy to use. It comes with two pieces. This portion that actually connects to the hose, and then the actual smart hub that allows you to connect it to your devices. So it comes with this. All you do is put some batteries in this, you plug it into your hose, and then you plug your hose into the bottom port that comes onto this timer right here. Now the really cool feature about this is, like I said, you can connect it to the app, but also you can connect it to your smart devices like Alexa, Google, all of those things. So this makes it really, really easy to use, super versatile. Now I'm gonna flip the camera. I'm gonna show you how the app works and how this actually works with the hose and the sprinkler system. This is totally awesome, you guys. This makes it so manageable to water your grass without underground sprinklers because it allows you to set timers. It can do rain delays. It can do all the things. You can set schedules. This thing is awesome, super versatile, really, really easy to use. Now let's flip the camera and check it out together. All right, you guys, so you can see right here, we have my husband's phone. He has the app. He's gonna hit smart sprinkler timer. Then there's that little play button right here. He's gonna set how many minutes he wants this to run for. Hours, minutes, look at all these options you have, and then he's gonna click start. Once he clicks that, we can see right there, the sprinkler is starting up, and then it will automatically shut off when that timer runs out. You guys, this is awesome. I highly recommend, absolutely love this product. Like I said, it just makes watering things so much easier. You don't have to be in and out, turning on and off your hose all the time. So if you're on the market for something like this, I highly recommend checking this one out. It is super quality and easy to use.